Forge Toys, y'all. It's another Pokemon opening up. They're gonna be opening up Scarlet and Violet Journey together. Let's see what we get. Yeah. Here's the QR code. The ones who needs it. One through the back. Fire. Electric. Let's see what we get. See if we get anything. Anything worth keeping. Yep. A reverse Radchan. Another reverse Rockruff. And did we get anything? No, we didn't get nothing but old Snorlax Hollow. Well, y'all, we didn't really get nothing big in this one here either, y'all, but maybe next time we will. If you like what y'all see, subscribe to my channel, please. Forge Toys, out of here.